What's good, YouTube? If you need box truck loads, cargo van loads, or even semi-truck loads, say no more, search no further, because me and my team exclusively have premium paying box truck, semi-truck, and cargo van loads, sprinter van loads, anything that you can think of in this transportation industry. As long as you have your LLC, you will be eligible to get some good loads, premium paying, high quality loads that'll take you to whatever city you want to go to. Woo! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KINGLATTA, and if you don't know me by now, I have started up a cargo van and a box truck business at the age of 19, and it's my job to teach you exactly how to do the same thing the easiest way possible. So, like you see in the intro, if you want to know how to get these loads, if you want to get dispatch services, me and my team of 5 dispatchers will get you dispatched every single day for only a $15 startup deposit and $10 a week for our dispatching services. Now all you have to do to get these services is just go in the email link in the description at thelottamanagement@gmail.com and email me that you're trying to get loads. Email me your truck type, email me where you're trying to go, where you're located, and just email me the information about your business, and I will get back to you, and you can get started dispatch through my company. So now you ask, why should I go through dispatch through you, KINGLATTA? Why should I go through you? Well, like I said, it is only a $10 a week fee, $15 startup deposit. But with this $10, guys, most people are going to charge you 10% per load. You know what I'm saying? So if you get a $100 load, you're already paying $10 right there. And with me, you can only pay $10 for the full week and get unlimited loads, guys. Get unlimited loads sent to you, and there is no forced dispatch, meaning that if I send you a load saying you're going to Virginia, to Colorado, and you say no, then you don't have to take that load. So guys, not only I will give you some loads, which I'm going to show you in just a few seconds here, guys. I'm going to show you the loads that I can get you and how I can get you from point A to point B to point C in just one day. But my team of dispatchers have exclusive loads that's actually private, so you can get cargo van and box truck loads for a higher price than what's on a regular load board. The reason that you need dispatch, if you don't want to get dispatching services, say forget about that $10 a week, you know what I'm saying? Forget about that 10% per load from another dispatcher. Say you want to get your load yourself. Well, what you would have to do is you would have to fill out carrier packets every single broker that you find with a load. This carrier packet fill out, guys, can take up to 5 to even 20 minutes just to fill out one carrier packet and fill out all your information to send to that broker. And by the time this is done, guys, then somebody might already have taken your load. So our job is to be the fastest and the most convenient to get you these carrier packets filled out and get these brokers to give us that load so that you can be on the road making good money. Now once you're over the road, guys, our job as well is to get you some more loads while you're on the road going to another destination. So say we got you a load coming out of Charlotte, North Carolina, going to like Arkansas or even Texas. What we would do is, as you see your end destination, let's say your end destination is somewhere in Texas. Let's just say Houston, Texas, because that's where we're at right now. Houston Rockets. Say you're going to Houston, Texas. Before you even get to Houston, Texas, me and my team will look for you a load to get you out of Houston, Texas and back to another city or back to your home city, guys, or around your home city, so that you can head home if you don't want to be an over the road driver. Like I said, all of the preferences are on you. Our job is just to send you the options that you like the most, and whichever one you accept is the one that you're gonna get, unless somebody already beat us to the punch. But guys, don't worry, me and my team are very fast. We actually get 9 out of 10 loads that we do negotiate on. So go ahead and hit the link in the description at thelottamanagement@gmail.com. Email me all your information and say that you want to work, and let's get started, man. So now let me go to the desktop, and I'm gonna show you kind of how I'm gonna dispatch you and how I'm gonna get you some loads. So let's get right into it. Over here on the desktop, man, we do have 123 load board, which is a free load board that you can use. If you go on this load board and try to get a load, you will see how difficult it is to actually get a load, and this is why you need our dispatching services. So we'll take all the stress off your hand. And the most thing about, you know, trying to dispatch yourself is, say you've got your load, right? And now you're on the way to, from Alden to whatever that says, you know what I'm saying, California to Dallas, Texas. Because I do have a lot of people who reach out to me in my coaching calls in the link in the description, man. Don't forget to book a coaching call if you want to know how to start your business the easiest way possible. But a lot of people reach out to me in a coaching call, and they're either from like the Northeast, like New York area, or either California. So let's just go from, let's see how you say this. Adelanto, California to Dallas, Texas. So I would see this, you know what I'm saying? It's 1,300 miles, power only, or we got some van loads right here. And then I would see this, and I would get you, let's say you want to go to Dallas, Texas, and then I will go to a different load board. If I don't see nothing on the 123 load board, I'll go to a different load board. So I do have multiple load boards that I'm working with, and so do my other dispatchers. And like I said, my other dispatchers do have private loads, but I will go to this load board and I will get you a load coming from Texas, going to anywhere else. So from right here, we got Laredo, Texas, going to Arizona. And as you can see, this broker has multiple loads available. And what I would do is I would call or either email or text the broker, which information is over here, and I will start getting you that load, guys. So actually in this case, they're not showing me the amount of miles or the hours that it will take for these loads, but it is giving me the rate, you know what I'm saying? And it's a good rate. All I would have to do is go on my maps and put how far these two cities are from each other, and you guys can make good money dispatching through me or through my team, guys. You actually have 3 dispatchers looking for loads for you every single day. So go ahead, don't forget the main point of this video: KINGLATTAmanagement@gmail.com. Start getting these loads today, premium private loads, and you can even start getting independent contracts, guys. You can even start getting dedicated lanes, because if you do good work, if you are consistent, if you want to stay in one area, we can even find you dedicated lanes. So make sure you reach out to me. Make sure you comment on this video, comment a thumbs up, man. Get this video pushed out to many other people so many other people can make money the easy way. And like I said, we're the cheapest dispatch out, man. It's $15 startup deposit for your first week, and then $10 a week after that. So you can't beat it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on how to get some loads, how to get premium paying loads, and how to get started with dispatching services. Like I said, man, hit the email and the link in the description, as well as we do offer coaching calls. I do offer coaching calls where you can reach out to me for a one-on-one conversation, and I will help you start up your box truck or cargo van business, even an online business. Even I can help you boost your credit fast, because over in the channel, as you can see, we do have a lot of videos on how to boost your credit fast, online businesses, and a lot of things on the trucking industry. And like I said, I started this business at the age of 19, so I perfectly know what I'm doing, and I know how to get you started the easiest way possible, because if I didn't do it the easy way, then I probably wouldn't have did it. So that's all you need to know, man. Don't forget to subscribe to Black Investors Group, man, because we make investing easy over here, and we post every other day. So with all that being said, I'll see you tomorrow. We out. Woo!